Hi, this is Raghu from TutorialDrive.com and welcome to PHP video series. So the aim of this tutorial is to give you an easy yet thorough and accurate introduction to PHP. It starts from scratch but requires that you already have some idea or knowledge of HTML. If you are new to HTML, please find a tutorial, learn some basics. Or you can go to W3 Schools. That is a good website actually where I learned the HTML, so you can familiar with few HTML concepts. So first of all we will see what is PHP. So so before people used to call PHP as personal home pages, but now they are they are referring it as hypertext preprocessor. If you ask anyone what is PHP, they will quickly say it is a server-side scripting language. What does it mean? So if you take an example of JavaScript or AngularJS, they are called client-side scripting languages or browser-based scripting languages. It means so you can write so much code, but when a user visit your website or a page, that entire code will be available for the user. So we will see that in the next slide, that is how the PHP will work. But for now, remember PHP is server-side scripting language unlike JavaScript and AngularJS. And by using this PHP language, we can make our pages dynamic and very interactive. And also this PHP is used in many popular websites like discussion forums, polls, shoppings like e-commerce, and also for SMS gateways, etc. So how does PHP will work? So when your client or when your browser send a request to the server saying that hey, I want to see your website or a HTML page, then your server will blindly give the entire content when it comes to a HTML page. That is a normal website. If even if you use the JavaScript, AngularJS, WordPress, anything. WordPress is different thing, but it will give the entire code. But if your browser or client will request for a PHP code or PHP page, then the server won't blindly give the entire code. So first it will process the PHP code and it will create a HTML page out of that. So it means it will just keep your output of the PHP file into an HTML, and then it will display on the browser so that you can hide your code. So this is how the PHP is very secure. We can just display our logic, so we don't have to show them the logic, so we will just give them the output.